Guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. We are filming our 2022 finale episode and we are finishing off with some cocktails. The first cocktail we are going to start off with is a Moscow Mule. Now, how can you incorporate our flavors into that? Well, if you have the honey ginger, white balsamic, this can easily swap in for the ginger beer if you don't have any. Another important thing you will need for a Moscow Mule is the copper glass or mug. The interesting thing about using the copper mug is it actually enhances the flavor of the vodka and all the other things added into there. So first we're going to make this. You will need your vodka straight from the freezer. Now to start, we need 1.5 ounces of vodka. That rest in the bottom, and then you need 1/2 ounce of lime juice, or if you want to get even more creative, you can use the key lime white balsamic that we have here. So let's get 1/2 ounce in here. Now, once those are in there, you want to pop in as many ice cubes as you want. I'm going to do 4. Once those are in, you want to add 3 tablespoons of honey ginger white balsamic, or about 1.5 ounces. Once that is filled, you can grab your sparkling water. So this is how you're kind of substituting the honey ginger for the ginger beer. We're going to pour that in there. Now the nice thing about the copper mug is also you're keeping the temperature at a steady rate. So it's not going to get too warm, it's not going to get too cold, it's just going to stay nice and cold, so the ice actually isn't going to melt too fast. Now I'm just going to give this just a little stir, make sure everything's combined nicely. And then for garnish, all you need is a simple lime wedge. You can stick it right in there. And then let's have our sip. Don't worry, there's no James Bond sketch to this cocktail episode yet. That is delightful. All right, we are going to move on to our second cocktail. For the next cocktail, we are using Amaro. Yes, roll your R's for this one, guys. Amaro is the Italian word for bitters. So it's got a lot of different bittery kind of umami type flavors to it, if you can say umami for a cocktail. It is quite delicious on its own if you want to, but tonight we are mixing it with our peach white balsamic, and these two together, I'm telling you, it is summer in a cocktail any time of year. Now for this one, all you're going to need is 1 ounce of each. So we've got our Amaro here, and then just 1 ounce of the peach balsamic. What you can do at this point too is watch them dance around. Take just a few little frozen blueberries. We're just going to throw those in here. And then add your sparkling water to fill. Once that's there, and just take a spoon, just get that nice and mixed. See, the blueberries are adding a nice little purple tint there. Oh, beautiful. Now for this one, there's technically no name for this kind of cocktail, so I don't know whether to call it a Pamaro or maybe an Amich. No, that doesn't sound right. If you have a better name for it other than Pamaro, let me know in the comments. I'm going to enjoy this. Oh yeah. Now before I go, I say this for the whole Olive Oil Co team. We truly appreciate all the support you guys have given us over 2022. We love still bringing these recipes to you guys, and we are excited to bring even more to you in 2023. And we will see you in the new year. Derek sliding out. The copper actually helps enhance the flavor of the vodka in the